Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic that is about differential equations. So now I want to show you how to answer. We can do about factorization by x squared. Next, we can do another factorization by y squared plus 1. Next, we need to divide by x squared plus 1 and y minus 1. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. Next, we need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1 because I want to create the factor divided by the denominator. Similar for the second one, I will put about negative y. Later that we need to add back positive y. Then I will put negative number 1. Then we add back positive number 1. So this one we can do about factorization by y. This one we have y minus number 1. 1 plus 1 we have number 2. So this one divided by this one we have number 1. This one divided by this one. And now we have y plus 1 plus number 2 over y minus number 1. The integration of number 1, we have x. The second one, that is about octane of x. The integration of y, we have y squared over number 2. Number 1, that is about y. And the next one, we have number 2 ln of the absolute value of y minus 1. And I will put about c. This is the end. Thank you for watching.